Hey, MonkeyBoo. Say happy Halloween, everybody. Look here, guys. We got a nice fresh mango for Boo. Oh, you like those, Boo? What do you think about it? Everybody was talking about wanting a bite. Xander said she wanted to bite. Happy and Mila said they wanted a bite. I don't know. Do you like it? Boo went right to work on that thing. Ooh. Somebody bought Monkey Happy a fire truck. You guys hear it in the background. He's playing with it. He's skinning it. Look, Boo's got his own personalized plate. Boo, with his own blanket. Boo. Boo. You have a good name for Halloween, right? You're not saying much. Is that good? Yeah. See, Boo's got a little injury right there. He's like, I bumped my head on the cage playing with Happy. Either that or Happy scratched him. It looks like a bump though. But yeah, he might have scratched it a little bit. He's like, I'll be okay. I'm a tough guy. Oh, yeah, there was a big head whip. Boo head whips the skin out. Give me a bite. Come on, man. Give me a bite. I'll get over here where you at. That is a tasty mango. It's pretty ripe. Kind of mushy, but it's good. Boo likes it when they're mushy. Good stuff? Yeah. Is that the best mango ever, Boo? Wow. Boo can peel a mango. He's like, wait, there might be some stuff left on this skin. Hang on one second. Yep, he found some. Oh. You saving that skin for? I told you he'd save you a piece of skin, Xander. Yummy. She's gonna eat it. I can't believe you just ate that. Oh.
1 year ago, no. A year in, yeah.
I see juices squirting. Boo. Put it on my lap. You've done a really good job staying where everybody can see you and watch you. Oh, you got more. You got more of it there. He's like, I'm going all the way around. Oh yeah, shred it up. Here, let's give that to Happy. Can we give it to Happy? Happy. Hey. Good. You got mango in your fur. Boo, I've never seen you peel a mango like that. Get that. Oh yeah. Look at those sticky hands. Big head whip. How many head whips have you done, Boo? Somebody's going to have to count them for us. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. Are you getting full? Yeah? You'll put it right here on your plate. Right here on the Boo plate. Lick your fingers off. Wait, clean your hands off. Here, let's slide this over here. You're going to check those skins, make sure. I'm good on that. He's like, you want a bite? Right? All right, Boo. No, I'm good. You did really good. Can I shake my hand? Good boy. You got a kiss for me? Oh, he's a good boy. Give right a kiss. Say thank you guys for watching. Oh, Monkey Boo loves you. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Right, Boo? Right?